Having trouble with your Wavlink USB 3.0 docking station? A common culprit is the DisplayLink driver. First, ensure you have the latest version, v10.3 as of mid-2025, from the official DisplayLink website. Uninstall any old DisplayLink drivers before installing the new one. Install the new driver, then reboot your computer after installation. Driver conflicts can cause black screens. Disable other display drivers like Intel or NVIDIA temporarily. If using Linux, manual installation of Wavelink's firmware update v2.1 from September 2025 might be necessary. Check your device manager on Windows or System Report on Mac OS for error codes like code 43, indicating driver failure. Another frequent issue with Wavlink docks is insufficient power. The dock draws power from your computer's USB port, which might not be enough for all connected devices. Symptoms include peripherals disconnecting or not working properly. Try using a powered USB hub for high-power devices, or consider Wavelink's optional external power adapter kit to boost power delivery. Use a multimeter to check the voltage of the USB port. It should be 5 volts. Avoid overloading the dock by connecting too many power-hungry devices simultaneously. If using a Type A to Type C adapter, it might introduce instability, so test directly with a USB 3.0 port if possible.